Welcome to our channel. We are Integrated Travel Solutions, your gateway to adventure.
Robin Trish Wilkerson here with Integrated Travel Solutions, and we are certified travel agents. Our agency is certified. We became certified after 2021 when I almost died of COVID, and both Rob and I have been workaholics, never took vacations, and that was a huge wake-up call. And so we made a decision to become certified travel agents so we can travel and we can help you to travel. We can book your trips anywhere in the world. We have suppliers all over. And I will leave a link in the description for our website, www.integratedtravelsolutions.com, as well as a link to schedule your complimentary consultation. We look forward to helping you, and you never travel alone.
Integrated Travel Solutions, your gateway to adventure.